is site development planning. So, pag-uusapan na natin kung paano tumatayo ang building or paano kino-consider ang site prior to designing as an architect. Kasi isa ito sa mga major subjects na lumalabas sa board exam. Tandaan nyo, hindi kayo makakapag-design ng isang building pag hindi nyo inaral ng mabuti yung site. Okay? At palagi nyong tatandaan, ang design ng isang building ay pwedeng ulitin pero no site is the same. Hindi nyo pwedeng sabihin na pareho lang yung site na to sa site ng isang project ko kasi no site is the same. Kahit sabihin mo magkasukat yan, mayroon yang difference in terms of configuration. For example, orientation, type of soil, soil bearing capacity, wind direction, solar orientation, climate, temperature, weather, etc. Okay, so buildings may be recycled, but you cannot recycle or you cannot say that there will always be the same site because, okay, no site will always be the same. Okay? So as an architect, we are required to do site development planning. Okay? And before we do site development planning, ang ginagawa muna natin is syempre, nagkakaroon tayo ng tinatawag na site analysis. Looking back on your thesis sa design 10 nyo, di ba meron naman kayong kinakonduct doon na tinatawag na microsite and macrosite analysis? Okay, anong purpose ng microsite and macrosite analysis? Ina-identify nyo yung SWOT ng site. So, if you can still remember, ano ba ibig sabihin ng SWOT? SWOT. So, that's your strength, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Okay? Pag sinabi mong strength, okay, saka weakness, it all talks about the present. Yung ano yung existing condition. When you talk about strengths, and yung positive, the present condition. When you talk about weakness, ano yung present na negative condition. Okay? And when you say opportunities and threats naman, yan naman yung future, positive. Okay? Opportunities yon. Tapos ano naman yung threats? Future, negative. Okay? Impacts na pwedeng ma-develop sa site. So, paano ba ginagawa or ginagamit yon? Ganito lang kasimple. For example, ang current strength ng site, it is a corner lot. So, yan yung strength niya. Okay, corner lot, strength. Okay? Kasi, kung mapapansin nyo, it is bound by two roads, tapos may intersection. So, madali siyang puntahan ng tao at very marketable yung site. Pero, meron ba yung underlying opportunities and threats? Meron. Ang possible opportunities ng isang corner lot, syempre, is it's marketable. Therefore, kung magtatayo ka dyan ng commercial building or probably a terminal or any profit-oriented building, it will capture your target market easily. Pero anong potential threat niya sa future? It will create traffic. Okay? So kung mapapansin nyo sa isang strength, merong kalakip yan na positive and negative effect or impact sa future. Okay? How about weakness naman? Ganun din. Okay? Hindi lahat ng strengths palaging opportunities. Sometimes meron yung kalakip na threat. Okay? So, yan yung ginawa natin ng thesis. Okay? Meron tayong tinatawag na SWOT analysis, and that is just one part or it's a type of analysis that we do when we conduct site analysis and site development planning. Ngayon, sa board exam, magagamit nyo pa rin ba itong SWOT analysis? Hindi naman na kayo mag-SWOT analysis sa mismong board exam, pero you have to think like you are doing a SWOT analysis. Okay? A quick SWOT analysis sa board exam. Kasi pag binigyan kayo ng illustration ng site, tapos pinapaintindi sa inyo na ito yung sitwasyon ng site, ito yung existing na condition ng site, dapat bilang architect, tatakbo agad sa utak nyo ano yung mga positive and negative considerations doon sa site. Tapos ano yung mga magiging potential threats niya sa future, sa opportunity sa future. Okay? Ganun dapat kayo mag-isip. Remember, architects always begin with the end in mind. Ibig sabihin, the moment na lumatag or the moment na mag-isip yung architect, okay, or nakita na agad ni architect yung design problem, wala pang 5 to 10 minutes dapat na pro-project mo na sa utak mo kung ano yung magiging itsura ng site, ano yung mangyayari sa site, tapos anong itsura ng tatayong building. Okay? Okay, ang tawag natin sa theory of architecture dyan is yung tinatawag nating visual acuity. When you say visual acuity, yan yung kakayahan ng architect mag-detail at mag-isip ng isang bagay sa utak niya na tapos na agad yung isang bagay.